Hi, I'm Susan Lipp, Editor-in-Chief of Trust and Estates, and with me today is Andrew Parker, who is Chief Investment Officer at Archetype Advisors, LLC, and also a member of our Editorial Advisory Board on the Investments Committee. And Andrew has written an article for the September issue of Trust and Estates called Visible and Hidden Risks, and it focuses on the rising interest rate environment. So Andrew, maybe you could discuss a little bit about how that rising interest rate environment impacts financial planning.
Sure. Well, I guess the first thing I'll point out is we may be in a rising interest rate environment. We've seen interest rates rise in the last couple of months, although we have to keep in mind that we've seen for the last 30 years a very significant decline in interest rates. And we've also seen, ever since the market volatility of 2008, 2009, we've seen a lot of investors, because they're fearful of equity markets, lean toward investing in fixed income. And with this reduction in interest rates and this lack of return in fixed income investments, a lot of investors have started to shift their investments to other non-equity but more risky assets due to lower interest rates. And so the question is, what will happen if interest rates do start to rise?
Can you talk more specifically about what the impact will be?
Sure. You know, in the article that I wrote, I talk a little bit about some other asset classes that may not traditionally have a lot of impact with interest rates, but because investors have gravitated toward them, things like emerging market debt, real estate investment trusts, equities with higher dividend yields, these have, to some extent, I believe, been bid up because of their popularity due to low interest rates, and investors' desire to earn higher returns with still taking less than equity market risk. And I think to the extent that rates go up and the marketplace gets scared, or investors start to fear the impact of higher rates, you could see these asset classes get hit in terms of price declines just due to investor cash flows.
Okay, well, thank you so much. And for more information, go to trustandestates.com.